You like that lipstick? Ah! Yes, you do. Oh no, not for you, my boy. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you surprised we're going to be doing a lip swatch video? Because I am. So today we're going to be swatching some lipsticks from Maybelline, and we're going to be swatching the Color Sensational Made for All lipsticks. So this collection features 7 different lipsticks that are universally flattering on all skin tones. So we have a spice, a mauve, some pink, some reds, a plum. Apparently these lipsticks are supposed to look great on all skin tones, and they've been tested on 50 different skin tones. Side note, if you guys have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Allegedly, it's supposed to take the guesswork out of trying to find a lipstick, which is actually kind of brilliant when you're in the drugstore because there's not always testers. The testers are sometimes always questionable, and sometimes you just want to go in and know what lipstick is just going to look great on your skin tone. And doesn't that just sound like such an easy shopping experience? I have not researched these lipsticks whatsoever. I didn't even know they were a thing. I didn't know they were launching. So shout out to Maybelline for sending these my way, because you know I love lipstick. Like I mentioned, there are 7 shades. They're at a retail suggested price of $10.99. I'm assuming they're already launched or launching soon. 6 of them are satin, and then 1 of them is matte, and the matte one is the red one, which is pretty smart. And apparently they're infused with honey nectar for a smooth and comfortable feel. Wow, okay, amazing. So without further ado, I'm going to swatch these on my lips because that's what you're here for. And sometimes people tell me, you talk too much. Well, I can't help me being me. So without further ado, let's get these on my mouth. Also, are we living for my hoops? Hope so. First up is Spice for me. This is like, you guys, this is so, like, I'm not the first type of person to like go for these type of like kind of like bricky orangey brownie colors, but this is beautiful. Like, I can see that there's still like yellow tones in it, but it still has like a bluish tone as well. Look how white my teeth look. I mean, come on, that's really beautiful. And it's so creamy. Hello. Here is Mauve for me. I love the names of these because they're all like for me's. I love this shade. You guys know I love a nice mauve. This is like a nice like satin finish. Just like Spice for me, Mauve for me also is like a nice like satiny cream consistency. Oh, so pigmented, and I love this color as well. They really hit the nail on the head with this one. I love these like colors of lipsticks. I find that they're just, it's like natural, but also like pinky enough to make you look like you still have a little bit of like color to your skin, you know what I'm saying? So on this white bitch, looks great. Oh my god, you guys, this one is pink for me. I'm obsessed with this color. I love this so much. Like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm living for this. It's a nice like medium tone pink, and it's just divine. I really like this because you don't really like get like a lot of like yellow coming through it, and a lot of the times some of these like pink tone like lipsticks like this have a lot of yellow in them, and it just makes me look almost like orange. This one I'm obsessed with. Like, I want to like eat this. This is gorgeous. Ooh. This is bright. This is fuchsia for me. This is like very, very bright. Not particularly going with what I have going on upstairs here, but it's bright. It's also very, again, I want to say like it has a really strong blue tone to it because my lips look super white. Not my lips, my teeth look super white, and I haven't whitened my teeth in like a long time, like 2 years. So yeah, I don't love like fuchsia tones. This is just a personal preference for me. I never gravitate towards lipsticks like this, but it is a beautiful color. And does it look good on me? Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It's just not my #1 choice for lipstick for me, but not because it looks bad, just because this isn't necessarily my jam. Oh guys, I got a package. Oh. Wait, is this 2? I ordered 2. Oh. Ah! Oh my god! I got these things in Mexico so I can bring my phone. Even though my phone's waterproof, I don't trust it. Aren't these cool? I got them off of Amazon. You like put your phone in? Yes, queen. I'm so excited for this. Ooh, I hope they work. Yes. Yes. All right, this guy is Plum for me. Again, this lipstick does look great. They all kind of just look great, but I want you to see what they look like because they all look great. Does that make sense? I feel like I never wear Plums either. I feel like I need to expand my lipsticks more. Remember when I used to wear like blue lipstick and like crazy stuff? I should do that again. Boy, do you like this color? Do you like this? Do you like this color? Oh, you do. You like it. Do you approve? This is Ruby for me. I love this. I love this shade. It is such a beautiful red. I mean, you guys, I have nothing to say. The proof is in the pudding, and this color is literally everything. Like when I want a red lipstick, this is the red that I want. It's this right here. So creamy, the most pigmented in one swipe. It's divine. Hello, it's me and my lipstick. This guy is red for me, and this is the one that is matte. None of the others are matte, but this guy is matte, and I totally get why, because a lot of the time when you want to find that like perfect red, you want it to be matte because you want to be able to wear it out and it not transfer onto your teeth and onto what have you. I feel like almost on camera this is coming off as a little bit brighter. Not to say that this isn't bright, but it is, I think, I don't know, we'll have to see. This is gorgeous. It's like, it's beautiful, you guys. I'm like in love. I'm in love. So you guys, that was all 7 of the made for all, for me, lipsticks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to know your thoughts on these lipsticks. Are you going to be buying one? Do you think that they're universally flattering for all skin tones, shades, shones, I was about to say. I would love to see these on different skin tones. I wish that I had like a nice little like friend here that I could also put them on, but I don't. I could only put them on my cat, which I'm not going to do. I feel like they all look great on me, so I can only speak for myself, and I am white as the wall behind me. Oh, and look at the art I made. I love making my lipstick art. I should frame all these. I have some of them saved. What do you guys think? Do you think I should start framing my lip swatch art that I have on all of my little makeup wipes? Oh. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of me trying some. I haven't tried lipsticks in so long. God, I love swatching lipsticks. This is, I think, the smallest lip swatch video I've ever done. Only 7 shades. What am I gonna do with all my spare time? Didn't I do like 40 shades once? That was just... Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.